Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
Hello all, I am Vaishnavi, Department of Computer Science Engineering, Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology. So today I am going to explain about the agents in artificial intelligence. So these are the objectives of my agents in artificial intelligence. The first is define an agent, agent classification, types of intelligent agent. What is agent? So an agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors and acting upon that environment through activators. And it have some types. The first one is human agent, second one is robotic agent. The human agent has eyes, ears and other body parts are like legs, hands, mouth. These are the activators. And robotic agents, the some input devices or sensor, some output devices or activators. So next we have to see about the agent and environment. So first of all, every agent should have the sensor and activators. So sensor used to observe or perhaps the current environment and used to do some actions by using the activators. These are the relations between the agent and environment. So next, agent classification. So agent classification have three types. One is biological agent, robotic agent and computational agent. And computational agent has two types. One is software agent and artificial life agent. And software life agent has three types: task specific agent, environment agent and viruses. So already we have explained about the human agent and robotic agent. So human agent is nothing but our human body, like ear, mouth, legs and hands. These are the activators. Eyes and ear, these are the sensors. And robotic agents, some input devices are called as sensor and output devices are called as activators. So next we see about the structure of agent. So already we know about every agent should have the historical data information and map with the current data information of environment. So the agent is combination of the historical data and current data information like logical architecture and logical input device. So next, type of intelligent agents. There are 5 types of intelligent agents. The first one is simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based agent, utility based agent, learning agent. So first of all we see about the simple reflex agent. So the simple reflex agent is only based of the current state, ignore the rest of the percept history. The agent function is based on the condition action rule, if condition then action. So this is the architecture diagram of the simple reflex agent. So already we know about the every agent should have the environment and sensor. So the sensor used to perhaps or observe the current environment information, that is what the world is like now. Then it performs some actions, condition actions rules to do the action by using the activators. So these are the architecture diagram of the simple reflex agent. So actually it is inefficient because the current data information is not observed properly by the sensor, means it could not able to identify the correct state. So that is the drawback of the simple reflex agent. So next, model based agent. So model based agent is similar to the simple reflex agent. So here only one difference is, so we have to store some internally some state of information stored in agent. So this are the same as the simple reflex agent. It should have the agent and environment. Every agent should have the sensor and the activators. So sensor used to observe or perhaps the current state information, and the 3 state of information will be stored in the agent. So this information are used to do some actions to perform the appropriate action by using the activators. It is a simple one. But we need to update all the actions in the state. So next, goal based agents. Goal based agents also similar to the model based agent. The architecture is every agent should have the sensor and activators. Sensor used to observe the current environment state and do some actions by using the activators. So everybody know about this one. But only one different is goal based agent is we need to check before every action completed. If the action goal is completed, if the goal is not completed, we have to take some actions from the state. So this is the only difference. We need to check before every action completed whether our goal is completed or not. If the goal is completed, no problem. If the goal is not completed, we need to do some other actions by using the activators. So next, utility based agents. So this is the diagram for utility based. utility based agents also have some state of information stored in the agents, and we need to choose the appropriate action for our current state environment. And for example, if any problem have multiple solutions, multiple ways of solutions, we need to achieve the better solution of the problem. That is utility based agent. So next, learning agent. So learning agent is same as the agent and environment. Every agent should have the sensor and activators. So sensor used to observe or perhaps the current state information and do some actions. So meanwhile, we have this 4 types of states. The one is performance element, critic, learning element, problem generator. So the performance element is nothing but we store the historical element, historical information about the environment, and the sensor used to absorb the current state information. The current state information go to the critic, and the critic function is used to compare the current state information and historical state information and gives the feedback to the learning agent. The learning agent should learn from the feedback, and it will compare to the performance elements. Already I had told about the performance element have historical information, so it will compare to the performance element. If any changes or if any knowledge, it will be get from the performance element, and it will go to the problem generator. The problem generator used to give the appropriate action to do the task by using the activators. So this is the architecture for learning agents. So these are the types of agents in AI. Thank you.